All right, ignore my really dirty grill. It's finally warm enough to be able to grill here, but I wanted to show these amazing cup holders. One thing about our griddle is like when we're prepping food and like hanging out here, we run out of space really easily because we just have this side and then this side, and they get dirty fast. So we came across these cup holders, which are amazing. The one I have is a 2-pack, has an orange and a black one, and they're actually magnetic, so you can stick them to any metal surface and they'll, as long as it's flat, it works. So it's amazing. They actually are very strong magnets, which is nice because I don't have to worry about my drinks dropping, and they fit a lot of different sizes of drinks. So like here's just like my sparkling water, and it fits a thick can like this. Also fits bottles really nicely. I have some cups that it fits as well, and it's nice and sturdy. The magnet is just right here, so you can kind of, like, depending if you want it at the front of the grill or the side is usually a little more out of the way, but just gives you a nice little spot to put your beverages, especially when you're outside grilling and kind of manning the grill. You want to make sure that you have a nice drink to enjoy. So these are awesome, really good quality. Let me show you what it looks like on the bottom. Just looks like that with a magnet, and then it is has holes on the bottom, which is nice in case your drink is like overflowing or you spill it or something. So really great material. Keep this like obviously away from your grill, but on the side is perfect for us. But the brand sent it to us and we have loved it. It's a perfect accessory for grilling.